1 एप्रिल सावन शैक्षणिक वर्ष सुरू करपाचो शिक्षण खात्यान घेतिल्लो निर्णय फाटी घेवचो म्हूण हायकोर्टात याचिका.
Those type of allegations are made, but as a matter of fact, there were detailed discussions, debates, and there were studies conducted based on that change has been adopted. So therefore now today the matter came up. This issue was raised. We explained to the court that this change has happened after due deliberation. Now the matter is fixed after 1 week. For the purpose of filing of the reply, we will file the reply. Central government will also file a reply. We will place before the court what debates that took place, what were the deliberations, what was the decision of the government in the file. That will be disclosed to the court. But there will be classes only up to 11:30. Thereafter there won't be classes. This will happen up to 30th of April. And in June the classes will resume. We tried to explain to the court that this is not going to prejudice so much to anybody. In fact, we pointed out to the court the fact that the classes are supposed to start at 11:30. It's itself an indication that due precautions are taken. The government and the experts, that is the education department and all academicians, they are well aware of the problems, and they have taken a decision in the interest of the student. In fact, this is one step towards the implementation of the new education policy.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.